In this emergency income kit review, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different methods, I believe 28 of them, that are going to allow you to make extra money doing a lot of things that you're already doing, methods that people have actually used to make money with. Now it's your turn. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out the emergency income kit, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, need money now, not a problem. The emergency income kit forces $100 daily into our accounts anytime we need it. It's impossible for anyone to not get results today with it. Yes, today. So essentially, this is a bunch of different methods that are actually things that anyone can do to make a little bit of extra money on the side. Now, is it going to make you rich? No, this isn't something that's going to replace your job and make you hundreds of thousands of dollars, but it's just ways that normal people can make some extra money when they need it. Now, I did an interview with Tom about this, and you can check that out on my bonus page here. And I was asking him, what are realistic results? And he was telling me, realistic results for anyone could be 10 to 50 bucks a day is very, very realistic. But he said for people that are actually hustling on it, 100 to 150 were doable, but you'd have to actually be really involved in it and actually going and doing and putting in work to it. So it depends upon how you want to do it. If you want to do it just little things on the side, or if you want to really go all in with it. Now, he's got a bunch of different methods in here that are going to show exactly how to do it. There's 28 different, they call it hacks, in order to make some extra income on the side. And it's amazing. People that have come to me before and said, oh, I've never made any money online. There's really no excuse for that with stuff like this. Anyone can make some money online. Can you make millions of dollars online? That's harder. That's a lot harder. But making a little bit extra is very, very doable. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades and how you can get discounts on them.
If you had to make money right now, not tomorrow, but right now, without any budget, experience, or connections, could you do it? If you hesitated, even for a second, I want you to come on in with me, because what I'm about to show you can start putting money into your bank account as soon as today. For example, did you know that you can get paid simply by being on the internet? Check this out on my phone. Or how about getting paid to enjoy some nice music? And I'm just getting started here. Hey, let's check in with my partner, Jono. He's actually on the other side of the globe right now in Bali, getting paid to exist. Here, let me switch my camera so we can connect with him.
Hey Tom, just getting some Starbucks here. Now, check this out.
That's pretty cool, but check this out. I just discovered this. Wait for it. Boom, baby.
Whoa, that's a new one. So you get paid for just passing that store?
Well, not just that one, my friend. Check it out. I got a Walmart coming up here. Hang on. I'm holding the phone here. Let's see if I can switch the mode. And wait for it. Boom.
That is so awesome. I love it.
I know, right? So this is for real, guys. Yes, you can get paid for doing things like simply having an internet connection, buying coffee and gas and groceries, and driving or even walking by stores. Ding, ding, ding. Money in your bank account. Now imagine that you had 28 different ways just like that to make quick money when you need it, all laid out for you step by step that anyone can do with no budget and no experience.
Even if all you had to your name was a shirt on your back and a connection to the internet at your local library, this can bring you money fast. We're talking about the emergency income kit that we personally always have as a backup plan.
Yeah, we sure do. And for the record, we both are far from needing emergency money. We've been in this game for a long time. But in this world, you never know what's going to happen. It's an unpredictable place we all live in, right? So we always have this kit handy, like one of those break in case of emergency fire extinguisher, except there's money behind the glass. So in the emergency income kit, guys, we have 28 out of the ordinary proven methods with one single-minded purpose: to generate money as soon as humanly possible for the person using them without any experience, connections, or budget. Some of these methods can even generate money the very, very same day.
Yeah, these methods are designed to start putting cash in your pocket ASAP. Not weeks or days from now, but right away. You'll get 28 unique, fun, battle-tested, instant income methods with step-by-step directions for each one. You don't need a budget, experience, connections, or anything else. Simply crack open the emergency income kit, follow our newbie-friendly directions, and watch as money comes out the other end, whether you like it or not.
I think they're gonna like it, Joe. But but you know what? Why don't we show them a list of at least a part? I don't know. What do you think? Should we show them a partial list of what it contains?
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Definitely.
Okay.
Good idea.
Get paid to simply be on the internet. All you gotta do is be on the internet. Get paid for sharing your location while driving. Get money back for every single thing you buy in your life. Get paid to enjoy music. Get paid to test video games from home. Get paid to become a secret online shopper. Get paid to upload funny stuff to the internet, and get paid to share your opinions. Now, there's 20 more easy, fun methods like that in the emergency income kit, all with step-by-step directions and all with no experience or budget needed. What's really important is that you will not be doing the one thing that introduces risk of not making money, which is building your business. This is where this method is so different, guys. With the emergency income kit, there is literally zero business building, which means there is zero risk of failure. All you do, follow our proven methods and you get paid. No complications, no unknown factors, no learning curve. End of story.
But not for long. Since some of these methods are prone to saturation, the emergency income kit won't be available forever. We're watching things very closely, and once it gets to a point where we feel that members aren't making as much money as they should, then we'll close it down for further sales of the emergency income kit.
And we're very serious about that because, like I said, we have used this and we have this as a backup. And if we give this to tens of thousands of members, it goes without saying, a lot of these things will die down. So what if something happens in the world where we need this and we want to make sure that doesn't happen? In other words, guys, if you want in on this to start earning today from this crazy profitable emergency income kit, don't wait another second, okay? Get in before it closes down. There is a button below this video. Click it to secure your emergency income membership before we close this baby down for good. Your bank account will definitely thank you for it.
Yeah, absolutely will, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you inside of our members area.
Yeah, thanks, guys. And yeah, we hope to see you inside.
Okay, so I'm back. Here's the back end area where you can actually see what you'll be seeing here. So there's the course overview. They give you all kinds of different methods, and some of these methods I'm not going to show all of them here, but there are things like get paid to share your internet bandwidth, get location sharing while driving and walking, scanning your receipts, listening to music, playing video games, uploading memes and comments, doing like extra surveys, data entry, micro tasks, product testing, website testing. All these different things. I mean, there's just tons and tons of ways to do it. Selling old items, review apps, and like you can review games and get paid for it. And they show you step by step how to do each and every single one of these. So very, very cool. There are multiple upgrades. So next one here says you can get even more tasks and stuff that will make you even more money. This one's normally 37. However, if you hit that no thanks button, you can get a discount on this. So it goes from 37, you get 30% off of this. Bring it down to 27. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one here is going to give you, they're going to give you AI coaching. So they're going to have you even have more of a personalized help with your business. Normally this one's $67. I believe there's a discount on it. Let's double check it. Yes. If you click that no thanks button, you can bring the price down and get $20 off of this. The next one is they're going to give you, this is coaching. So if you want to get even more help with them, you can do that. Again, if you click that no thanks button, you should be able to get a discount on this one as well. Get a 30% off discount. And the last one is a resell rights one. So you can actually resell this and keep all the money. Let's see if there's a discount on this one. I always like to at least check. Yeah, you can get 40% off of this one. Get it for just 27 bucks. So pretty ridiculous. All these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you. Okay, so what do I like about the emergency cash kit and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, I mean, they talk about making $100 a day. It forces it into their accounts. I mean, making $100 a day is difficult. You're going to need to do a lot of different tasks. I don't expect you're going to make 100 unless you're actually putting in a bunch of work. What do I like about it? I always like little extra ways of making money. If you're someone that's never made money online, or you just want ways of making just a little bit extra here and there, this might be right for you. Then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out the emergency income kit review. If you'd like to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.